Hi, everybody. No mask because we just got done with family night and I think I'm the only one here. So I wanted to get you one more construction update video before the school year ended. I'll still send them out over the summer. You might have to have your parents check their email if you want to see those. So here we go. All right. We're in here and it is looking better every day. This is just kind of an electrical room here, kind of like it was before. You can see they just poured some cement in here. This is going to be the door going into the library. And we have down here, we have, this is a teacher workroom in here and back in there. And gosh, some caution tape up. You can see that's going to be kind of like a data room with lots of cables and whatnot. So I will mind the yellow tape and not cross that. This space here, let me see if I can get a light on. There we go. This is going to be a little bit of storage, but also going to be like our tech space, a tech lab maker space. So that's pretty exciting. Out here again is our commons area. You can see there's all the doors. Maybe the next video we'll have the doors on. Oh, with the motion sensor lights, you see those lights came on when I walked in. I wonder if the same thing will happen in the room here. Oh, there we go. So they haven't gotten those windows in yet, but the windows in the community center and the library are in. I'm sure that you'll see those in a moment. And we'll go through, we go through the computer lab. Yeah, we'll go through the computer lab here. No computers yet. All right, you can see our big long hallway here. You can see they have, they're doing some work on the bathrooms recently. They've been making a lot of progress there. Let me see what we got. It doesn't look like there's a light on in this one. No, don't have the lights hooked up yet. Let's check out the gym, shall we? Looks like they got the ceiling painted. Oh, come on. Here, down this way, check out the community center. So we got the windows in. Still some work to be done, but very exciting. All right. Well, that was the update for today. I really want to thank you all for what has been a very different school year, but overall have been really impressed by all of our students and how well that they have adjusted to all of the new routines that we have. And we don't know exactly what it'll look like next year, but we do know that we'll be here and we will be excited to see you back. So have a fantastic and safe, respectful, responsible summer. Bye.